Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask that we find in the world, including ones that you send me. That's right, if you send me a mask, I'll put my address below, I will test it. I unfortunately missed who sent me this mask in our intake process. It kind of got screwed up, so apologies. Write your name below if you know this is your submission, but this is the Lifetek, T-E-K, I'm guessing it's supposed to be tech. Just making fun. Let's put it in the clamper and see what happens. See if I can get, because I can't clamp and talk at the same time. It's not true, I do it all the time. There we go. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out what this machine is doing, check out that link up there. We're basically doing the American surgical mask test here, which I think is fair because on their website, lifetekinc.com, they're claiming this is a 3-ply FDA disposable mask. Now, there's no such thing as an FDA disposable mask. There is a FDA procedure mask, I believe, which means what they're kind of inferring is that this is an FDA. A lot of times people will say, inappropriately, they'll say something as FDA registered mask. There's no such thing as an FDA registered mask. Masks are cleared. So what you're looking for is FDA cleared. You want an FDA cleared mask. I almost guarantee you that this is not an FDA cleared mask just by looking at it. You just need a lot of supporting information for that. It's a huge process, takes months. So Lifetek, 3-layer ear loop, high breathability, fluid resistant, excellent 3-layer filtration and protection. We shall see about that. We are doing a similar test to what the FDA would do right here. Fiberglass free, that's great. Cellulations, it's a lot of names on here. I can tell right away it's not a very good mask. You can see the variations in this. I always say it looks like Michelangelo's sky at the Sistine Chapel. When it looks like those clouds, that means that there are imperfections in the spun bond. It means it's probably not very good quality material. And that's not ideal. Put it on. Let's do a smell test. It smells like a musty dorm room, but this was sealed when it was given to me, but you never know what is going to happen. This is claiming on their website, at least, this is claiming it's an FDA mask, which means it needs to meet a minimum of 95%. That's the test we are doing here. That, I think, is maybe a record for a Chinese surgical mask. I think it's maybe a record, 32.199, 32.199. All right, everybody, thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate your time and attention, and I will catch you on the next test, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m.